Get ready to discover 50 amazing woodworking tools that will change how you work with wood. From power tools to hand tools, this video showcases innovative products that will take your projects to the next level. These cutting-edge tools boast impressive features and designs that woodworkers of all skill levels need to see. Get inspired by tools that make woodworking easier, faster, and more precise. Bid farewell to ill-fitting joints, woodworkers. Woodpecker's Big Cal woodworking calipers deliver piston-fit precision. Offering furniture-size scale and machinist-level accuracy, these calipers outshine standard models. The perfectly aligning jaws, dual-function nut, and rigid stainless steel blade eliminate slippage when transferring dimensions. No more squinting at confusing dials. Big Cal is engraved with clear 1x32" and 1mm graduations. Made from premium materials like aircraft-grade aluminum, Big Cal is built to last decades. Available in 12" and 24" sizes, they provide piston-fit accuracy for both large and small tasks. Upgrade your workshop with Big Cal woodworking calipers and measure like a pro. Are you tired of rulers that slip and lack precision? Jessam's new precision rulers are the solution. Featuring a patented flex grip system, these rulers stay put on almost any surface. Available in imperial and metric with 1x16" and 1x32" markings, they cater to all your measurement needs. Crafted from 301 full hard stainless steel and laser engraved, Jessam's precision rulers offer durability, accuracy, and stability. The holy trifecta of measurement excellence. Carpenters, woodworkers, architects, and artists agree these are must-have tools that redefine precision. Elevate your skills with rulers that simply won't budge. Deck builders meet the clip drive, the ergonomic stand-up tool that fastens all camo-grooved decking clips with ease. Exclusively fastening Camo Edge, Edge X, and Edge X metal clips, this tool speeds up jobs with its ergonomic, height-adjustable handle and weighted nose for easy screw targeting. It's a contractor-grade, lightweight, and durable tool that attaches to your drill, making fastening quick and comfortable while standing. The clip drive is easy on your body and ensures no scuffs or rings on your decking. Combine with Camo's universal clips and lever tools for the ultimate grooved deck installation system. Work smarter with Camo's innovative solutions. Tackle heavy-duty tasks with ease using the OX Packdown Sawhorse. Its iconic powder coat finish ensures maximum durability and protection. Its compact folding leg design allows for easy storage in your truck or workshop. The angled steel base plates provide stability, and the spring-loaded mechanism ensures an effortless setup and prevents the legs from unfolding during transport. With a tested load capacity of 400 kilograms, it handles heavy-duty tasks with ease. The 800mm bamboo benchtop offers longevity and surface stability, while the 800mm work height reduces back and spinal fatigue. This versatile folding sawhorse is essential for pros and DIYers. Step onto any construction site and meet the star of the show, the OX Pro Ultra Strike Hammer Range. With its effortless grip and powerful features, it's a true standout. From its straight rip claws to the integrated side nail puller and magnetic nail starter, it streamlines every task. Even as the day wears on, its lightweight build and ergonomic handle keep you going strong, absorbing shocks and offering unmatched control. Precision? It's got you covered with its noble shape strike face and innovative bridge shaft design. Say hello to your new best friend, the OX Pro Ultra Strike Hammer Range, transforming your work seamlessly. Tired of the old-fashioned headache of door installations? Enter the Milescraft Hinge Jig, a revolution in the world of craftsmanship. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to precision. This self-clamping wonder holds itself in place, sparing you the hassle of unsightly holes from screws or nails. Crafting perfect hinge mortises is a breeze, with sizes ranging from 2.5" to 4.5" for doors of all dimensions. Its unique design even allows for seamless switching between routing radii. And those drop-in templates? A game changer for latch mortises. It's time to make door installations a joy with Milescraft. Step into your workshop with the Craig Pocket Hole Jig K4, your essential tool for woodworking precision and ease. This adjustable jig, trusted by DIers and pros, simplifies creating strong, perfect pocket hole joints in materials from 1/2 inches to 1.5 inch thick. Its intuitive design and versatile application, including a large clamping recess and removable drill guide, ensure flawless results on the benchtop or on the go. Elevate your craftsmanship with this time-tested tool, designed to bridge the gap between idea and outcome. Make the Craig Pocket Hole Jig K4 your go-to for bringing woodworking projects to life with confidence. In the bustling workshop of precision engineering, where every cut counts, stands the Jet Elite 16-inch EVS vertical tilt frame bandsaw, a modern marvel designed to meet the demands of today's machinists. Its heavy-duty construction minimizes vibration, and the quick-action vise speeds up setup. With an adjustable air hydraulic control for smooth operation, and a blade that cuts cleanly through structural materials, efficiency is at its core. Plus, its easy cleanup with a pressurized wash-off hose saves time for what matters most: crafting excellence. Designed for today's machinists, it's the perfect addition to any shop. Imagine your DIY paradise, tools and half-finished projects everywhere. Suddenly, the Bosch Universal Multi-18V swoops in, your trusty sidekick ready to tackle any task. It's sleek, it's handy, and it's ready to turn your DIY dreams into reality. With an 18-volt motor and a wide range of accessories, it can handle sanding, cutting, and scraping with ease. Its ergonomic grip makes it a pleasure to use, while the brushless motor ensures efficiency and runtime. Whether refinishing an antique or building custom shelves, the Bosch Universal Multi-18V has your back. Embrace your creativity and let this sidekick take your projects to new heights. Step into your workshop with confidence because the Milescraft 3406 Grabber Pro has got your back. This versatile push block is a game changer, designed to glide over saw blades, keeping your hands safe and secure above the cut. With its high friction grip and angled handle, you can guide your workpiece through cuts with precision and control, even when ripping thin boards. The adjustable sacrificial heel and right-angled support add extra stability for taller workpieces. From table saws to router tables and bandsaws, the Grabber Pro ensures safety and accuracy in every cut. Don't take chances with safety. Get your hands on the Grabber Pro today.
We know cutting a long, small, or narrow stock is hard enough. But when this Jet woodworking router table comes into action, it becomes a breeze. Yep, this router table is fully customizable and completely suits any need of your workshop. The most interesting thing about this tool is you can choose between two tabletops, cast iron or MDF. With the easily transportable rolling stand, maneuvering issues won't bother you more. And the precision router lift, customizable fence system, and multiple dust ports keep your project perfectly balanced and comfortable. So, work with confidence and spend less labor. This little guy you see here is the Bosch Easy Curve Sander 12. First things first, it's surprisingly handy and compact in size. This curve sander comes with 3 movable discs that have optimal adaptability. These discs constantly rotate until you're done with the project. Want to know the fun part? You can change the sanding accessories pretty easily and deal with various surfaces. Plus, this tiny tool produces low vibration, less noise, and offers a dust extraction process for cleaner work. This Bosch curve sander will maintain the topmost quality regardless of which surface you're sanding on. Sand curve by curve. It's the Woodpeckers MT Center Gauge and Doweling Jig, a great solution to find the center of the board edge accurately. It features 2 parallel machined arms that will help you to take all the guesswork out of precisely marking on mortise and tenon joint. Never forget to use a marking pencil or knife scribe to mark the center bar location. Wondering how you will tackle different thicknesses? No problem. Just remove the 2 thumb screws and switch to the needed size bar. There's more. You can easily switch to the doweling mode for precisely drilling on the alignment of face frames and rails.
So, that was our video of the 50 woodworking tools that are on another level. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.